Today we are looking at the newly announced Acer XFA240 It is a 144Hz FreeSync supported gaming monitor. It comes packed in a nice cardboard box that protects the product inside well. In the accessory pack we receive one dual-link DVI, one DisplayPort and one power cable. Quite the usual stuff, to be honest. The product supports Full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. Together with the 144Hz response rate as said before and 1 millisecond of response time on the pixel itself, and with the 350 candles per square meter of brightness, it is all usual stuff, especially in the highly competitive gaming market. The 1 millisecond response time tells us that inside there is a TN matrix that has solid backlighting with no obvious or very noticeable bleed. But then again, it's a TN matrix and it has to deal with all the negatives that the technology provides. Therefore, bad contrast ratio, uninspiring side color drop-off, and sloppy reproduction of colors compared to VA or IPS matrix makes it a non-product for anyone who is looking at this product from a non-gamer first perspective. I think the XF240 is a nicely designed monitor with a combination of dark grey and red. The latter is present only at the footing of the mount, while the rest of the product is noticeably grey or black. It would not look totally out of place in a more serious business environment, but then again it looks totally in place in a gaming setup. The stand is height adjustable for 14 cm up and down, while the vertical can be adjusted from 5 negative to positive 35 degrees and 60 degrees horizontal in every side of the monitor. On the lower right we can find the OSD buttons that are very responsive and present a nice throwback from the also too complicated or too gimmicky products from the competitors around the segment that tend to use, touch buttons that in the end don't work as well as normal, regular, old-fashioned buttons do. And that is quite the case on the XF240 where buttons are perfect and the OSD is simplistic but works. What sets the product apart from the competition is the FreeSync technology that enables AMD card owners to have a more smooth image when using the display. Of course, if you have more than 144Hz you don't notice the difference, but when that number dips below 144 in high demanding AAA titles, it makes all the difference because the monitor locks with your graphics card output and displays a consistent frame rate that is the same on the monitor and on the frame rate of the card, and therefore guaranteeing a more smooth gaming experience. When we tested the XF240 with our 280X from AMD, the combination and the sync guaranteed virtually no tearing of the image and banding during playing of Battlefield on 3 monitors and made a better experience while playing compared to a monitor that had no FreeSync. To summarize, the Acer's XF240 is an affordable 144 supportive FreeSync compatible gaming monitor that delivers a good gaming experience for a low amount of money, and that is quite honestly all that it promises, so it delivers 100%.